Welcome to St. Knox Digital Academy today, where we will be discussing 5 professional graphic design software options for both Mac and PC. Graphic design is a crucial aspect of many creative projects, and choosing the right software can significantly impact your design process. Let's dive in and explore these top-notch options. Adobe Photoshop. First up is Adobe Photoshop, a powerhouse in the graphic design industry. Available for both Mac and PC, Photoshop offers a comprehensive set of tools for image editing, photo manipulation, and graphic design. Its advanced features, including layers, masks, and filters, make it a go-to choice for designers worldwide. Adobe Illustrator. Next on our list is Adobe Illustrator, an industry-leading software for vector-based graphic design. Whether you're creating logos, icons, or illustrations, Illustrator provides precision and flexibility. With its powerful drawing tools, typography features, and seamless integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps, Illustrator is a must-have for graphic designers. CorelDRAW. Moving on, we have CorelDRAW, a versatile graphic design software available for both Mac and PC. CorelDRAW offers an extensive range of tools for designing graphics, illustrations, layouts, and more. Its intuitive interface and powerful vector editing capabilities make it a favorite among professional designers. Affinity Designer. Next up is Affinity Designer, a powerful alternative to Adobe software. Compatible with both Mac and PC, Affinity Designer offers a robust set of tools for vector design, illustrations, and UI/UX design. Its smooth workflow, excellent performance, and affordability make it a popular choice for many graphic designers. Sketch. Last but not least, we have Sketch, a Mac-exclusive software tailored specifically for UI/UX design. Sketch provides a streamlined and efficient design experience with its vector-based editing tools, artboards, and symbols. It's widely used in the digital design community for creating interfaces, wireframes, and prototypes. Conclusion. There you have it, 5 professional graphic design software options for both Mac and PC. Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator remain industry leaders, while CorelDRAW, Affinity Designer, and Sketch offer compelling alternatives with their unique features and functionalities. Choose the software that best suits your design needs and start creating amazing visuals. Thanks for watching.